If you would like to create a new location in Dronedesk, I'm going to show you how. There are a couple of ways to open up the new location form. From the dashboard, click on the plus button in the bottom right hand corner of the locations card, or alternatively you can click on locations in the side menu to open up the locations page and click on the new location button in the top right hand corner. Once the new record form is open, create a unique location name. If you know the what 3 words address, postcode, latitude and longitude, or easting and northing for your location, you can enter these into the form fields. Alternatively, you can identify your location on the map and double click, and you will see that the form fields are automatically populated. You still have the opportunity to change these, and you can add additional information such as the street address, as well as any notes that you would like to add. Once you've finished completing the form, don't forget to save new record.